So look, this is what I want to do. I want to go to the top 100, and I just, for you guys that are new here, or newer to crypto, or you don't understand really the difference between a lot of these coins, I just want to go and tell you the ones that I think are no way, okay, and I don't know. Is there something else that ends in A that's not gay? Good play. No. Look, I'm just going to tell you what I think. Here we go. Bitcoin, obviously, very viable, going to go up. Ethereum, very viable. It is going to go up, but it's not going to go up nearly as much as a lot of other coins. I don't think it's even going to double its all-time high from last time. I don't think it's going to hit 8,000. I think 6,000 is pretty... 6,000 to 7,000 is probably a good range. There are much better investments than Ethereum, in my opinion, in the top 100, but still worth investing in the overall grand scheme of things. Sorry, keep going back here.
I think you can say that same disclaimer though for Bitcoin though. Like if you're just getting in, Bitcoin's probably going to double in price to 150, right? That's
great point. But that's right. But that's not why we invest in Bitcoin. We invest Bitcoin because it's something that you want to hold on to, and it's digital gold in a sense, and you want to store up your Bitcoin over time, the amount that you have. It is something you want to do in crypto. I believe. I think everybody kind of wants to do that. The way to get there, usually to make it through altcoins if you're newer. BNB is going to explode again. XRP going to explode. Dogecoin, I am not sure. I need to ask Mr. X about this. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask Mr. X about this because I think there's a lot of potential here if Elon Musk is going to use this in some of his things. I need to find out if that's even a possibility.
And the question, maybe the link is with the whole Department of Governmental Efficiency, that spells Doge, obviously, like where's the connection and why? Yeah. Or is it just for the meme?
Right. Yeah. I didn't even know about that. Okay, ADA is one that I think is sideways. I think it's, I think it'll do well. It'll probably get an all-time high. Could potentially, it might not. But overall, it's on its way down, I believe. Tron, Tron's okay. Tron's okay. That's what I'll say. It's okay.
Justin Sun has the money to keep it going.
Right. Tron's okay, but I'm not going to invest in Tron. Toncoin, great. Avalanche, great. SHIB, sideways. Might do okay, might not. Chainlink, great. If I skip it, it's because it's a wrapped asset or because it doesn't count. It's a stable coin or whatever. Chainlink, yes, great. Bitcoin Cash, it's not going to do great. I think it'll do okay. There's been times when it pumped, but I'm not putting money into it. SWI, one of your best picks of the entire bull run, is going to crush it. It's going to continue to crush it. DOT, stay away. Uniswap, meh. Litecoin, stay away. Uniswap, I'm staying away from Uniswap. But Litecoin, I'm staying away. Near, awesome. Aptos, awesome. Pepe, I think it's probably awesome. I can't figure out why people like it. Tau, awesome. Fetch, awesome. ICP, awesome. DAI, it's a stable coin. Monero, Ethereum Classic, stay away. It might pump, I'm staying away. Stellar, stay away. No reason. Caspa, good. White Bitcoin, Aave, great. Pol, I think it's great. I think it's gonna be great. I think it's gonna go back up the rankings. But it doesn't matter if layer 2s are necessary or needed. It's too much money into it directly from Mr. X.
Do you think that they kind of missed the ball on not connecting themselves to Polymarket when it was just so front in front of the whole world?
No, I don't think they care about that. It's just Goldman Sachs and Circle. It's 80% of it.
Okay.
The percent of it is owned by a very small amount of institutional players, and because of that, it's going to make money. It's going to pump again. Period. Gotcha. Doesn't matter if it's used. And I think Polygon probably overall. I mean, I don't know. We've had some talks with some people on the Polygon network, and this is another one. Maybe there's something that we're not seeing with Ethereum that they're seeing, and they know because they're on the inside. So Stacks, it could go up or it could go down. This is one I'm staying away from, but I think could pump. Okay. CRO, right there in that same thing. OKB's exchange coin. WIF, it's going to do great. Arbitrum, it's another one. I could be sold on Arbitrum. They could convince me. But right now, I think outside of Polygon, I think layer 2s, I don't know what the hope is for the future of the price for those coins, but maybe it's great. We'll just do top 50 here and move on. Filecoin, great. Is going to kill it this time. Get ready. Mantle, it's going to kill it, I believe. TIA, I think they have a big token unlock at some point. Watch out for that thing, but I think TIA is going to do okay. So there's the top 50 for you guys. Maybe we'll do the 51 through 100 another time. But you just have to know, like, in this list, Doge, Cardano, Arbitrum, Stacks, CRO, these are ones that could go either way. They could still have a lot of, and why I'm telling you this, it's important to know I'm not going to be right on every single one of these. I'm out on a lot of these, but I'm not going to be right about every one of them. There's going to be some of them that are going to crush it, and people are going to say, see, we told you. And it's good for those people. Won't be good for me, but I nailed like probably 25 other ones, so it'll be okay.